Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to head back from whence we came. Or as Sulkin put it, there and back again. Representative of the Tocas family and her lawyers and associates, please don't sue me. I'm just making a joke. This is now one way back to our main station stop at the beautiful Indochino and Nike Live location. Should we have a line, all passengers will disembark the trolley to make room for those waiting for the next round trip. Ladies and gentlemen, remember this is a moving vehicle above all things, so don't be no moving about the cabin or disembarking the trolley. while it's in motion. This is not the San Francisco cable car system. I'm not Judy Garland. I'm not singing Ding 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 Goes the Trolley. I know other songs, I just don't know that one. For those with young children on board, please make sure they are seated firmly next to you or in your lap in the event of emergency stop. We have to hit that e-brake, it will physically shake the trolley, not rock and roll. I leave that up to Mother Nature. And now, without further ado, and welcome back aboard the GG1717, the Americana brand trolley. Ladies and gentlemen, as we depart beautiful Caruso Avenue, we have a lot of wonderful places that you can visit over here. We have the beautiful Nordstrom E-Bar. Check it out for that wonderful on-the-fly item. Whether you're grabbing yourself a wonderful artisan drink, some salad, or perhaps maybe something bakery goods, or even a wonderful piece of fruit. Don't forget to use your Nordstrom credit card to rack up those Nordy points. Visit the beautiful Trattoria Amici, home to the best caprese in town. They have wonderful pasta, pizza, and of course, incredible seasonal fish. At the beautiful Umbra. Visit Umbra for that wonderful wine or a handcrafted cocktail. Come on over here after your tour is done and sit down and enjoy the beautiful ambiance that the Americana has to offer. Visit the beautiful Wetzel Pretzels to try that Wetzel Pretzel dog. It's a beautiful hot dog lovingly wrapped in a pretzel, or grab some Wetzel Pretzel bites to go. Don't forget to get a wonderful lemonade or frozen to wash all that deliciousness down. I strongly recommend the Kiwi Strawberry. It is refreshing. It is also for conductors approved. At Urban Outfitters, they got to take an extra 50% off sale today on all sale items, so be sure to check it out today. At beautiful Lululemon, go on in and namaste a while and enjoy all the wonderful yoga apparel, and also check out The Mirror, the newest in-home personal Wi-Fi training, and of course the beautiful signage for the Lululemon Run Club on Wednesday. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now be passing by the beautiful Cheesecake Factory. Their menu is so vast, it's going to take you several months to get through the entire menu. For me, I'm still right now enjoying their wonderful grilled pasta with roasted garlic, chicken, veggies, and of course add some salmon for some surf and turf action. Don't forget to enjoy a wonderful slice of cheesecake. The pumpkin cheesecake is now back. Visit beautiful Apple to check out the new iPhone 14. For me, I've got that on my Christmas list. Same with my Ray-Ban Stories and of course my Cadillac LYRIC. Yes, I've asked a lot of Santa. I just hope his bag is big enough for at least one of those items. Speaking of the LYRIC, check out the Cadillac Electric Theater. They have their wonderful LYRIC. They're doing test drives on it. Check out the informational 5-minute movie and the newest conveyance from rooftop to rooftop a la Jetson style. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to make our station stop over here by beautiful Indochino. This is your closest station stop to the Capital One Cafe, Frida's Mexican Restaurant, Sea Eyewear for the sexy specs you want in your life, Potato Corner, free Nunes Handheld and Banana, and of course the Bakari GDL. Ladies and gentlemen, in just a moment, you'll hear that bell, and once you do, it'll be safe to disembark the trolley using the handrails. Don't forget to personal items for young ones who don't have a child lost and found. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you all again soon on the GG1717, the Americana brand trolley. Stay warm and hydrated. There was a lot of wonderful warm drinks to be available all throughout the property.